Hello everyone and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to save a photo as a PDF on your iPhone so you can easily share, store, or send images in PDF format without using any third-party apps. So, let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone and find the image you want to convert into a PDF. Once you have selected the photo, tap the Share button located at the bottom of the screen. From the sharing options, scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Now, choose a location where you would like to save the image. You can select Downloads, iCloud Drive, or any other folder available in the Files app. After choosing the location, tap Save. Next, open the Files app on your iPhone and navigate to the folder where you saved the image. Once you locate the image, press and hold on it to open the Quick Actions menu. This menu contains several options that you can perform on the file. Before continuing, take a moment to subscribe to the DelfStack channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful iPhone tutorials like this. From the menu, tap Quick Actions and then select Create PDF. Your iPhone will instantly create a PDF version of the image and save it in the same folder. You will now see both the original image file and the newly created PDF file. Tap on the PDF to open it and verify that the conversion was successful. Once the PDF has been created, you can share it with others, attach it to emails, upload it to websites, or store it for future use. That's it. You have successfully learned how to save a photo as a PDF on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to check out more quick guides like this.